Hello everyone, welcome. In this training, I'll show you what we'll be designing. This is like a splash screen of Opay, one of them. Okay, we are beyond banking, then all of this comes in. So this is a logo, this is a text, this is a text, this is a text, and this is a logo. So that's what we'll be doing. So I've taught you guys how to create a Figma account. You create a Figma account, then go to figma.com. Go to figma.com, it will load. Okay, I already have it here. So your own might not be like this, but based on I have some files that I've been working on for a long time. So what you do, just go over to where yes you see design. You can see fig jam, you can see slide, you can see balls and the rest. What you go to, click on design, right click on design to open a design file for you. That's what we do. So you give it time for it to load. So when you get this to this place, first design this. I don't know if I should bring the image. Okay, I don't need to bring the image, or you can bring your image too. So let's just bring the image so that it will be easy for us to follow. Just bring the image like this. Oh my god, it's too big. So for you, there's no need to bring the image. You can look it on your phone. You just want to like you have a visual to have a visual representation of what we are doing. So I just try to like might make it smaller. Okay, good. So what we'll do now is like I told you before, first thing you normally do when you are designing is for you to uh, go to your frame. Where is the frame? After this place, this arrow, this move arrow, there's a frame, there's a rectangle and the rest. So this place frame, this F. So click on frame. So you will now check the right hand side. You can see a frame, you can see phone, tablet, desktop, MacBook, desktop, wireframe, TV. So go to phone. So you can choose any of this phone, but for this tutorial sake, we're going to choose iPhone 17. Okay, now it's good. It's good. Is it too big? It's okay. So okay, zoom it a bit. Okay. So it's okay this way. So what next for us to do? For us to there's a corner videos. I told you what corner videos is. If you have not in my master class, you should enroll for our master class because everything is there. I've thought about this several times. So corner videos, go to over to your right hand side. Okay, where's the corner radius? So appearance, where the appearance is. Let's give it the corner radius of 25. That's what corner radius is. Okay, that's good. So what is the next step we have to do? So you can see that it's white, right? Which is okay. So we give it a color. We'll give it a fill. You go to your right hand side, go to where fill is. Then you see all of this. Click on where this white is. FFFFF. Click on this white. Then okay, the S code you can see on page and the rest. So let's give it a S code of uh 00BB75. Good. So that's the S code. Sometimes if you don't know the S code to use, or you have inspiration uh of design color you want to use, you can actually pick a color. Let's say the color is white now. The color is white. What am I doing? Okay, let's say the color is red. What's going on? Okay, it's on 100. I'll put it back to 100%. It's in 0%. Okay, let's say it's red. Then we want to choose this, or let's take it back to white. 100%. No, no, okay, this is where I control the percentage. Put it back to white, right? Is that it is right before? Before now is white, right? So we can just pick the color, click on this plus, then there's this thing called sample color. Click on it, then go over to whatever color you want to use, then use it. Good. I'm teaching this for us to be able to know it very fast and better. So the next thing we have to do when you are designing is always good to use your layout guide. I've taught about layout guide. Get my masterclass course. I've taught about layout guide extensively. So for this layout guide we're going to be using, go over to your right hand side and then scroll down. You can see layout guide. You can see where stroke is, effect is, and layout guide. Then what you do, you click on the plus sign, so you will see what we call grid 10, 10 px. No, we don't want 10 px grid. We'll change it from grid to column, right? And if you change it from grid to column, you can see where my mouse is. Focus where my mouse is. 5 column. Then you click on this one that says layer guide settings. Click on it. Then this layer guide settings. There's a default one we use normally for mobile. We use then for height, give it 8 ps. Then for gutter, give it 8 ps. You can give it 16 ps. You can give it 16 ps. Let's say 16, yes, or 8, anyone you want to give. You can give 8 or 16 ps, right? Which one do I love? I want to let's go for 8 ps, but you can give it 16 ps. Anyone that works for you, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You can give it 16 ps. So click outside of it. Okay. So what we do now, to off this, you can use Shift plus G. Shift plus G is off. So what we'll do, We need the logo of Opay. You can go over to the internet. You'll be the one to do this yourself. Go by the internet and search for Opay logo PNG. I don't want to waste time for this at all. I think I'll give you the logo. Please note for us to use the logo, we are using it for educational purpose, not to impersonate or any other thing. This is for educational purpose. So for me, I can get any of this picture, then crop it, then use, right? Okay. Let me just show you how most times we get logos. Cool. You can click on any of these, then okay, no. Open image in a new tab. So if you open it in a new tab, you open one of them in a new tab. You can just what's it called? It's a simple thing everybody also know how to do. Uh, right click, then save as image, then save it to the file you want to save. Put in a name on it and save it. Right, save it. Then for your job is to go and crop this, crop this. Then what you go next is to remove background. There's this site called photo, no photo room, photo room to remove background. Okay, go to photo room to remove background. Or you can use remove.bg. The other one remove.bg, remove.bg to remove background. Open it to remove background. Click on it, open the photo and click on start photo. Okay, actually I downloaded one of this. Okay, remove the background. But I'm going to send it for you. I'm going to send it for you. Then you download it, right? If you have any issues, please just call my attention, right? Let's go straight to the video. Let the video not to be long. Let the video not to be very long, because you still have to get logo for some other. So for me, I already have my logo. So what I'll do, where am I going? It's not the place. So what I'll do, I have to drag. If you want to take an image into this, where you are working, go to open your gallery, your file manager, then drag it. Okay, this one I've removed. So just take it out. So this is it. So if you put it inside, you see that there's no white. What we'll do is to simply create a cycle. Create a cycle, the Eclipse tool, then hold your shift, then drag it. Then you can change the color. Change the color to white. White is FFFF, right? Then make sure it's inside. Sorry for my sound of mouse. So okay, you can see that it's not showing inside. Why? Because the because Eclipse 2 is above. Eclipse 2 is above. So to fix this, take the OP design up. My masterclass, I have talked about this a number of times. It's at the center now, so it's good. So the center now is okay. Then I can drag it to fit inside a bit, or just give it Just try and work on something good. Can drag it to the everything in the center, right? So I've taught how to group, taught how to taught how to group items, taught how to group items. Okay, we just can leave it like this. Okay, I taught how to group item. We can group item by holding our by right clicking, by left click outside, hold it, then drag everything into it. Then you click on Control G, right? So you can no Control G. So if you are dragging like this freely, it's gonna be like this. So you can if you want to go back, Control Z. So I hold my shift then drag like this. So put it okay. All those many things not supposed to be like that. It's just for you guys to like understand that there are still challenges that you have to fix like that. So this OP symbol, we center it. We click on it, click on position, where position it is. There's this one called align to the left, uh, horizontal align center, horizontal align right. So align to the center, right? That's good. So let's give it there's a dimension I have that I want it to be on. So I just want to give it the x-axis will be 159, then the y-axis to be 336. Okay, I click out. Then what we'll now do, the next thing we can see is we are beyond banking, right? So let's write the text. Click on T. This text is go down, click on text, then click here. Then it's kind of small. We can write, but we are not going to see what we're writing. Very small anyway. So I just go over to uh, my right hand side. You see where typography is. You see inter, regular, auto, and the rest. So for the typography, we're going to use a font. We're going to use a Roboton slab, Roboton slab. Then for for the uh for the font, is it font or thickness? You're going to use extra bold because it's going to be very bold. Then the size is use 24, 24. So let's write now. We are beyond banking. Sometimes I'm supposed to just copy and paste. Let's do it for you guys' sake. We are beyond. Okay, let's write it the way they wrote theirs. You can see that there's a capital letter first. We are beyond. I don't beyond So I just want it to just jump, right? So what we do first, okay, the spacing that we'll give, let's just put it inside. The first, put it inside of this. So let's make it a lot smaller. Let's take it inside. Okay, let's take it inside. Put it a bit down. Okay, then I actually said there's a dimension. Okay, let's leave that for now. So next, you can create another text. You can create another text, but normally what we do, we duplicate this text by you can use Control D. Let's see. Then if you click on Control D, then drag this text, it text to come out. Or you can click on this text, then Control C. Then if you see Control C, you can click out, then Control V. A text will still come out. Where's the text? Where's it? Okay, okay, the text is inside himself. So any way you want to do it, you do it, or you carry, or you have to start from scratch again, or by clicking on T. So I'll just like, let's say I'm working on this already. So this place CBN, please note this for tutorial sake, for educational sake, so you can know that all these apps you see, it's not magic. It takes time for the designers to design it, and it's actually a good work, right? So extra bold, okay. Then the color, you go to the fill color, 171 uh, D 59. Okay, that's the color we use. Isn't all okay? Is good. Then I think this color, there's a color for this too. It's still the same color, still the same color for this CBN, right? Still the same color for this CBN. You see the difference. I'll just click on the license by. Let's tap it. Yes. Right. But you can see the color in this place is faint. What we'll do is to reduce the color opacity by 50% too. Then leave it. Then write this other one. I just want to copy and paste. Ensure by, okay, good. Then just copy and paste. Make sure you are careful with your lines, every other thing. Okay. Okay, I just want to give a line of 6, like the line of horizontal line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's okay. So the only thing we have to do now here is for us to carry this our image, their logo. Okay. So I think I'll move it a bit, and it feels like it's too big. I don't know. Just want it to be in the same line. Must not be exact same line, by the way. So I think, it's too. Let's give it space. So I think that's it, right? So all of these, you can just group them. You can just group them. I taught you how to group. If you're a master class, you will know how to group. You can just group them so that you will not be moving, and if you scatter, it will not be moving. Okay, it will not be moving. So this is it. So for you to remove this line, you can just click on this iPhone 16, then go over to the layout guide. Off it, you see toggle visibility, off it, or the shortcut. There's a shortcut for it. The shortcut is shift G. Okay, good. Shortcut is shift G. Okay, this one. Okay, for those of us that's wondering, you can, for those of us that wondering how my text is a little bit zoomed, you can use you see 100%. You can zoom out and zoom in. I use plus and minus for here, or you can zoom out, zoom in. Sorry, let's zoom out. So I use minus and plus. You get. So this is what we designed. So I can just export it. Click on it, then export it by going to export. Click on the plus by the right hand side. Click on the plus, then use 3 times. Just use it 3 times so that will be more clearer. Export iPhone 17. Then I think you'll see it. Just see it. Okay. So this is it. This is it. For us to actually make it fine, okay, you have to make my master class to see how we go to plugins. Go to plugins. Then you can. Is my master class. when I taught all of this, I told you how to run plugins. So this plugin, we are going to use a plugin called mockup plugins for device mockup and the rest. Click on mockup plugins. So just have a good design. Showing, please wait right now. So you can try any of this design. For me, I've been using them. So just find this for free. Find this. If you have difficulty in this plugins, let me know. There's a plugin, there's a design here. I'll click on this one. So I've clicked on it. Okay. So how to do it is, please, if you have any question, just let me know. Click on this plus sign, then click on the frame. Click on this frame. So it has to display. It's supposed to display right now. It's supposed to display. Network. Sure. This is it. The video is not going to be too long. If I'm to design it, it's very fast. Then crop. Click on crop. It's there. Okay. You have to still do it for the second one, but normally it's supposed to just be one. Supposed to just do it, but since this is two, if not, we have another design. We'll use that